How to create a direct download link in Google Drive. So let's say you want to go ahead and share this file over here, and once they open up the link, it gets downloaded immediately. So just go ahead to a new tab and make sure you paste the exact keywords over here. So https drive.google.com/uc export equals download and id equals, and here you're gonna have to paste in the ID number of the file. So to get the ID number, go ahead to your file, let's say this one. Make sure you just copy the link over here, but just in case, you're gonna have to press on anyone with the link. But once you do that, press on copy link over here and go to a different tab, let's say this one. You're gonna have to paste in the copied link. So the ID number will be the one after the D slash and before slash view. So in our case, it's going to be this. We're just gonna go ahead and select that and just copy it, Ctrl+C, or just right click and copy. Once you copied it, go back to the tab with this keywords over here and just paste the ID. So once you have it pasted, it should look something like this. The link and then the ID. You can go ahead and copy this as a whole, and it should be a direct download link. So if I'm gonna go to a different tab and just paste in the link, it should directly download immediately. So as you can see, it downloaded immediately. Actually, I'm gonna do it again just in case. So paste and enter, and it downloaded the file. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.